work as a value-added service in Nepal. We work with all the telecoms, NTC, Ncell, and UTL. These are the main three telecoms in Nepal. We've been providing different services for the development and as a public services. But in this presentation, I would like to focus on more on the M-Governance project, which we did with the Department of Transportation. I think it's wrong. Focus One Nepal, the Focus One as a whole, we initiated from Korea. After that, we started in Nepal, and similarly now we are in China, USA, and Singapore. So, though it's an independent entity, we share resources, and it's all independent the companies. Next slide, please. These are the business areas we are focused on. More of F1 Web Data Integration Server, F1 Mobile Application Server, F1 SMS Middleware Server, Mobile Content Services, Mobile Application Services, Mobile System Development and Integration, and Mobile System Consulting. Vehicle tax information. It's the first project initiated by Nepal government to provide information from government to public. This initiative was jointly undertaken by Department of Transport Management and Focus One Nepal. This service is basically to ease public from getting information regarding the vehicle tax. Prior to the launch of the service, the general public they had to physically go to the government office to inquire about this service. The government offices in Nepal, it's more over like government offices in India. To get a small information, you need to go through a lot of hassles, and like brokers are there. To get one small information, entire day you need to spend at the office. So this service has provided anytime, anywhere vehicle tax information, and this service is currently available in all vehicle Department of Transportation offices in all 13 zones of Nepal. Just before we started with 3 zones, then a month back we switched on all 13 zones, and all information of all the 13 zones can be retrieved through SMS. The VTAX system service is available to subscriber of all the major telecoms, Nepal Telecom, Ncell, and United Telecom Limited. Tax information can be accessed by like sending a single SMS, typing VTAX space your vehicle number, and if you send it to the short code 4321, then you'll get all the receipt and your payment due amount and all the information. Next slide, please. This is the system layout we have. A user initiates an SMS. We are connected with all the telecoms, and we are also connected with the VRS system, Vehicle Registration System of the Department of Transport Management. We retrieve the information from the system, and then as a response, we send the tax receipt and all the information to the mobile users. VTAX service platform, it's F1 SMS. We are using this as an SMS, and we've also developed a VTAX application which will be launching in a week's time, and all the information regarding tax and all the information regarding vehicles, it's stored in VRS, which we call it Vehicle Registration System. And it's a Java-based web application which has been deployed by Department of Transportation Management. So this is just a demo on how the SMS is sent. It's usually VTAX space your vehicle number, and after you send the SMS, you get the receipt, the time and date you made the payment, and if you have any due amount with the Department of Transportation, it will be displayed on this response message.